Hi everybody, it's Debbie here and welcome back to My Crafty Den. So I am going to do a plan with me in my classic sized happy planner. This is my dashboard layout planner and I absolutely love it. This is what it looks like before I do anything in it, but I'm going to go with a really pretty different color scheme this time. I have a paper pad called Teenage Dream. It's from Recollections and I got it at the Michaels. It was one of their Hot Buy paper pads. I think I got this last summer, but it's got some really cool whimsical papers in it. So I'll give you just a quick flip through. I don't know if they still have this or not, but this is very fun and playful, and it's got ice creams and glasses and bananas and hamburgers and french fries and fish and pizza and yeah, unicorns. It's just whimsical and fun and girly. So we're gonna use this, and as you can hear, Bethy is here with me and she's gonna plan in her planner while I'm doing mine. So I've cut a piece to fit this whole page, and I'm gonna cover this up and then use stickers to create my own boxes on this page this week. That's what I'm gonna do. And Bethy is planning, and she has a little planner. I got her this little planner from Dollar Tree, I think. And yeah, it's really cute. And so it has 2 weeks. It has a week on each page. And she's going to plan in this, and she's going to cut papers for that as well. So I'm going to use my Happy Planner paper punch to punch out some boxes for here. And this is the other page that we have chosen. So I decided that the stripes and the florals would go really, really good together, and they're very basic primary colors. I am going to cut out 4 of these because I like doing that every other week on this other page. So do you need some of these too, Beth? You're going to use the paper cutter? There. So I've been away. I just got back and I've been away, so I haven't seen Beth for about 2 weeks now. So she's gonna have a sleepover with me tonight. My husband is away. He plays in a band. I think I've mentioned that before. He plays in a band and they're playing out of town tonight, so they're staying out. And you want this? Okay. And Bethy's going to stay with me so that I have some company. So I'm going to use this and this. And what else am I going to use? I believe I have some roll-on adhesive that I want to use here. I'm going to take these pages out. I don't know why I do that. I always try to start planning. There, I'm just going to pop that out. I always try to start planning in the book, and I always end up taking the pages out. So let's get that on there like that. There.
How do you use it? Like,
oh, here. You do it like this. Oh, do you want a glue stick?
Sure.
A glue stick might be easier for you. I'll give you a glue stick. It's what you're used to, okay?
It's not what I'm used to, but
so I'm going to take these and I am going to how am I going to put them? I'm going to put one on Tuesday. And I'm going to put one on. I thought I was trying to do that upside down. What the heck? Oh no, I'm gonna have to use a glue stick too. My tape runner just ran out. Thank goodness for glue sticks. There. They always work good.
You can use this either way, glue stick or...
The only thing that I find with a glue stick is that it curls the paper up. It gets the paper a little bit wet, so it curls the paper up. And that's the one thing about, having the roll-on tape, the double-sided tape, and it goes on so easy and everything stays flat. Those are funny little glue sticks. They're not really overly sticky, are they?
No. Usually you also have to kind of keep pressure on the area that you just glued.
There.
Sorry for the cracking. It's just the chair.
My bar stools, we're at the island and my bar stools are a little bit squeaky. I guess I might have to oil them or something. I'm not sure what you do for that.
If you guys know, put it in the comments. I'm becoming a professional vlogger.
There. So there's my base. That'll be my background for my plan with me. Then I'm going to use some stickers. And now I have all of my Mambi stickers like this. I'm going to put out my Bill stickers. I'm going to put out a coffee cup. I'm going to put out, I don't need work stickers because I'm still off.
Are you going to need this?
You can cut that up, hon, if you want to. I'm going to put my TV stickers out. I might put some headers out. Laundry stickers. And some Bill Do stickers. Wonder what else I'll need. So that's pretty much everything. That's pretty much everything there. So that's basically everything there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, one of these is the boxes, my colorful boxes. You put a whole line, you put it down like this, and this is the line where it cuts, is this line here.
Right there, that mark right there.
You want that mark right there, so you put that mark and line it up on there. Make sure it's tight down at the bottom. Hold it down and run that over it. She's learning how to use a paper cutter.
Yeah. New crafter.
Colorful boxes. I have. That's what I was going for. So on, let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. That green's pretty, so maybe I'll do a shopping list over here. Like that. And I want this one. Ooh, that's not cut that's not cut. Ooh, that wasn't cut through very good. So I want this one here because on Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm doing another short road trip. So I'll be away out of town again. I'm just busy.
Call her the busy lady.
Mm.
What we'll call her.
I like that. I love this. So I was looking for something for here, and I think I'm just going to put this right here. It says, don't stress, do your best, forget the rest. I like this too. Make every moment count. And I love that it's in that dark pink like that. And I might put it right up here in this top corner. Right up here.
Guys, got a quote for you that I found online. It's, no doesn't mean never, it just means not yet. So whenever somebody says no, it doesn't mean that they're giving up on you. It just means not yet.
That's actually pretty good advice. There, I think that's all I want out of that book. This is the rainbow book, and it's got bright, this is all just bright colors. So let's see what pops off this page for color. Ooh, that's nice. I like that coral color. Oh, and I like this bright, I do like this bright pink.
Great. I have to...
So I'm going to put some boxes over here. I'm going to put a to-do. And I'm going to put note like that. And I'm going to put be productive right here. And then that's why if you cover up this whole page, you can just put whatever box stickers you want down there and kind of make that page your own. And I really like that. That's one of the things that I like the most about this planner, is just the layout is just so customizable. I want this, but I don't want it with anything that's in this book.
You're picky.
Oh, I know. It's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want it with anything there either.
Crafting.
I have to find the right sticker book.
So far what I've done with mine is I've just fooling around.
Bethy's never... Have you decorated a planner before?
Never.
Never?
Never. I'm just fooling around. My true love is pizza.
This isn't the one I want either.
If you're wondering why I just said that,
I just got this homebody one, and I know there's some really nice stickers in here. These florals, oh my gosh, they're just to die for. They're so pretty. There. I was kind of thinking something like this, but that might be too big, but maybe not. Oh, I think that'll be just about right. So I'm going to put this here, like that. And I'm going to put this right here, like a checklist. And then I'm just going to grab one of those to-dos, or maybe not to-dos, maybe I'll just leave this one for now, and put this kind of, this whole plan with me is kind of all over the place, but all I'm really going for is some bright color. This is what I'm looking for.
Look at that. It's like a brush effect, Granny.
There. So I think that's pretty much it. I think that's pretty much my plan with me layout. And then I'm just going to fill some stuff in.
Yeah.
So I have a couple of bills to pay this week.
Really?
So I'm going to put these over here.
Black Friday shopping.
I think only 2. And what else do I need? I really want something that says Remembrance Day.
You write it.
I'm just going to put this here. And then I'm going to write,
sorry guys, camera light just died. I should become a perfect.
sorry about that. My camera died, so I had to charge it and come back. So I don't think I did very much before I realized it was going. I was writing this in here, and I wrote a few times in, but I think that's all that I've done. So I think this is pretty much finished. I am going to fill out some of these lists and stuff throughout the week as I go. And I think that's all that I'm going to do. So bye-bye for now, everybody. Have a great week, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.